Hey guys, Felipe here with another haircut video. This haircut is very similar to a video I posted a little while ago. What we're going to be doing here, we're basically going to be doing a classic comb over, leaving quite a bit of length on the sides and on top, enough to run your fingers through it and style it very neatly. So let's get into it. Just like in the other video I just mentioned, I'm going to be doing a clipper over comb on the sides, and I'm going to be tapering the back, skin tapering very low. To begin here, I'll take my JRL's Fast Fade 1000. I do have a clipper review on this machine. I'm not a big fan, but if you want to check it out, put link to that video on the description below. Anyways, so setting a foundation here on the sides. This is going to be basically my guide and my foundation that I usually typically use with a guard, but instead taking a clipper over comb, I am literally cutting the hair just above ears height, cleaning that up. We want to maintain a good amount of length on the sides in order to lay over once the product is applied. And so I am using the clipper over comb strictly just on the side. Once I finish that, I take my number 3 guard using my Whal Magic clips, and I am pretty much just meeting the foundation that I set with the clipper over comb. I'm probably going up about 2 inches up high. This is just literally just to set a foundation, and once I go and start doing my skin tape up, I know where my top guideline is and where my bottom guideline is, and so I have that space to blend 0 to number 3. Once that's done, I take my shears and just using scissor over comb technique, I am blending that up from number 3. I am going to be blending the midsection right above the occipital bone using a different technique. Don't worry about going up too high. The scissor over comb is just for me to blend from 3 all the way up to ears height. I'm gonna take my Slimline Pros and start setting the shape up along the perimeters. I do this on both sides, and while I'm at it, I set my first initial guideline for my tape up. Now I will begin to create that tape up. Open my blade up, set the first guideline, and then move up with my guards. Remember, we are tapering or blending from 0 to 3, and so I am moving up with a half, 1 guard, a 2 guard, and then I will meet the 2 guard with the number 3. It's a very simple process. The only thing that you have to keep in mind about this is that you want to flick out the hair as much as you can. If you just go up, you're gonna start creating lines, and it'll be hard to get rid of them. So flick out the lines with each different guard. Alright, so now that we've done the sides, we shaped it up, and we did the tape up, we're gonna move forward with the haircut. Now usually I blend this in using a scissor over finger, but I did get a razor, one of these razors, and so I am trying out a new technique here, trying to blend the midsection hair right around the occipital bone. Trying to meet that hair down to where I did my shear over comb. This is a very new technique that I'm trying. I've never tried before. It's something that I've came across on YouTube. I've been interested in trying, and so bought one of these guys on Amazon for about 15 bucks or so. So moving forward now, after I blend that in along the sides, I'm gonna start working on the top hair. The top hair is almost blended in. I don't have to do too much here, so I am combing the hair back using the that midsection that we just blended as a guideline, and I am just blending everything. So I'm working from back to front. And then now with a texturizing razor that I also purchased on Amazon, I am starting to just add a little bit of texture on the top hair. This is the haircut. I did shave his beard and shaped it up, and so that's the haircut right there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any items that I use or any techniques, please leave a comment below, hit thumbs up, and please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.